Gordon is a very useful engine.
I'm horny.
He loves riding along the rails with the wind between his balls.
Hello, everybody. You broken the record again? Yeah, 'cause I am the greatest and the horniest.
I eat losers for breakfast.
Hey guys, it's me, Thomas. Yeah.
And no one cares. You ugly-looking thing. Anyways, I am the fastest.
Thomas, I need you to collect the jet engine from the fucking,
It's a jet engine.
shut up, woman. Yeah, I've worked it.
Aw, okay. Yes, sir.
Oh boy, a jet engine. Yeah, that's amazing. Thomas loved the jet engine. He loved coasting along the line with the balls between his wings.
squish.
Wow, and I'm British. Thomas then arrived at the freaking thing. He's seen the massive hunk of steel.
Oh! Hey, you down there,
Go faster!
You gotta wait.
God damn! Ricky jerked. And then he jorked. And then the jet engine started to roar! It went louder and louder.
Oh no!
And soon, it was off!
Uh-oh.
Thomas was off! Thomas steamed down the line. Increase speed, said Thomas, as he steamed down the line. People
Stop
had
all
called
trains. Got it. All stop all trains.
Yar she blows, said Thomas. He raced past James and rocketed past Henry
Rick Jews.
and zoomed past.
Oh, great heavens.
Yeah, the
What the heck is
things.
happening?
Thomas. Yo, never mind.
Thomas had never gone this fast in his life. He was having the time of his life. Then Gordon.
I am the greatest. I just watch myself fly by. Bum 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 bum.
Hi, Gordon, Gordon. Ooh, you gotta see me go out.
What the heck? That's Thomas. That was Thomas. Wait!
Soon the jet engine began to run out of fuel, and then it shut off. Thomas slowly came to a stop. But slow.
I stopped still.
Thomas arrived in the station. Gordon was there. Dude, I passed you. Can you believe it?
And no, I haven't seen you. Thomas, are you me? Have you seen the fastest engine in the world?
Yeah, see, that's me, guys. Yeah.
But Thomas doesn't have to go fast. He's a tank engine, not a fast engine like Gordon. Or whatever.
Shut up, you suck.
Patricia, let me have this.
Anyways, I shall leave. Goodbye.